Hey everybody, as promised, here are two more compound interest examples. See, it says it right there. All right, walk you through a little slower this time. So we want to use the compound interest formula, which is this crazy long formula, I know. But it's A, which is your final amount, is going to equal P, which is your principal, which is your starting amount, times 1 plus your interest rate, written as a decimal, divided by N, which is how many times the money is compounded in a year. Okay. Parentheses. So then the exponent is going to be that same N times the number of years. Okay. So in this case, we have, I guess, let me ask you, what is my beginning amount here? Good. Hopefully you got 15,000. How am I going to write my interest rate for my R in my formula? Good. Hopefully you said 0.048. It's compounded monthly. So what's that going to mean for the N? The N is what is compounded monthly? What is it going to be? Good. Monthly is 12. So the first thing I'm going to do is write my formula, which is going to be this. A equals 15,000 times 1 plus 0.048 over 12 times 12t. That's going to be my formula. All right. Now I want to figure out for 2 years, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2 and I'm going to replace it with that t, and that's going to give me an exponent. That's going to give me a new exponent. That new exponent is going to be 24. All right, so this exponent is going to be now 24. Okay. So now comes the time when you have to enter this in the calculator very carefully. You got to be very, like, enter exactly as you see it. Okay, no matter what kind of calculator. I'm using my phone calculator. Okay, I'm just going to hit 15,000 parenthesis 1 plus 0.48 divided by 12 end parenthesis caret button 24. And when I do that, since it's money, I'm going to need to round it. I get $16,508.22. Okay. Let's do one more example here. A little smaller amount. Let's say, $24 invested at 5.1% for half a year, also compounded monthly. Okay. What's my A? Good. What's my interest rate going to be as a decimal? What's my N going to be? My N, which is how many times it's compounded in a year. And now, what's my T? And what's my T going to be here? It's compounded for half a year. Well, let's see here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write my formula down. 24 times 1 plus 0.051 over 12 to the 12t. Now, what's my t going to be here? I asked you that before. T is just going to be 0.5 because it's half of a year. This is going to drop my exponent down. If I multiply this, my exponent is just going to become 6 now. All right, and when I enter all this in the calculator, ready for this? We put in $24. 6 months later, we got $25.02. Crazy. All right, well, there's 2 more videos. Hopefully they were helpful for you. If you have any more questions, definitely reach out. If you haven't done this work yet, now's a good time to start that X6 and IXL and your mastery check.